This is Dr. James, a biomedical neuroscientist, and welcome to part two as we explain what a holistic health coach actually does. Now, I want to talk about the impact of vibrations. The thoughts and emotions also carry vibrations that impact your biomedical, cellular, and overall psychological state. At a physical level, the body is made up of atoms and water, which are in a constant state of motion. The type of movement or frequency at which atoms within a cell vibrate creates a form or wave of energy that influences their structure and function. Now, science demonstrates that thoughts, words, and feelings can change the crystal structure of water in cells, which can change their function. Positive, kind, and inspiring thoughts and emotions vibrate in harmony with your cells since they share a similar frequency that allows them to function optimally. In fact, one study has found that the type of vibrations or energy patterns that are carried by certain words and intentions are able to cause physical changes in DNA structure, which affect how the genetic code is translated to make different proteins and become the building blocks of your body. This may explain why techniques like affirmations and hypnotherapy can have such a strong effects on the human body. Often your thoughts are also expressed as words, which carry these energetic vibrations and are then put into action as repeated habits and behaviors that further impact your health. Let's talk about how body feels emotion. Emotions like anger, fear, guilt, anxiety, sadness, resentment, jealousy, depression, and stress can manifest within the body and contribute to imbalance and disease. For example, you are likely already familiar with the way that fear can contribute to digestive upset or how tension can lead to headache. When you experience emotional states like sadness, joy, or anger, physiological sensations occur in different areas of your body. Scientists have created maps of emotions showing areas of the body that are activated when study participants experience different emotions. This connection is multidirectional. Emotional experiences affect the way you behave and the physiology within your body. In the other direction, your perception of these emotion-triggered bodily changes also influences your consciously felt emotions. Stuck or repressed emotions appear to be especially harmful to physical health. One study showed that people who repress their emotions are more likely to have disruptions in the normal balance of the stress hormone cortisol compared to people who freely express emotion. Over time, chronic physiological stress can change the way the body functions at the hormonal or immunologic level, contributing to the development and progression of cancer and cardiovascular disease. For example, studies show that having imbalances in the way that the nervous system regulates the overall stress response, such as producing too high or too low levels of stress hormones like cortisol, epinephrine, may predict early death in patients with metastatic breast cancer. Let's talk about what you believe can lead to disease. Due to the mind-body connection, the way you think and feel, and in the deep-seated belief patterns you hold can contribute to the development of disease. If you do not explore and deal with the painful emotions, they can create an underlying sense of anxiety, depression, or anger that can physically disrupt the body's natural ability to heal itself. One common way you may experience this interaction of belief and physical sensations is dealing with chronic pain. In essence, pain is a combination of the physical sensations you experience, the emotions you feel, and the meaning of the pain has for you. Emotional suffering, physical pain, and other sensations share similarities in your neural pathways. For example, feelings of anger or insecurity can disrupt the regular beating of the heart and the calm flow of the breath. This further activates the sympathetic nervous system in the same way that occurs when you are facing a threat, creating an even greater sense of unease and pain. You can see this type of physiology playing out in people with a lack of social support, or who are more likely to have cardiovascular or other health problems than those with consistent and supportive relationships. Another example of the powerful link between the mind and the body is that decreasing symptoms of depression may improve survival rates from cancer. Psychological support is important for dealing with emotions and changing beliefs, and can help reduce depressive symptoms as well as inflammation. This suggests that emotional and social support positively impact mind and body.